Hello Beauty Squad, it's your girl TeeTee. Welcome back to my channel of all things life, love, and beauty. Oh boy, it's been a long week and I hope everyone is staying safe. I know these are really some challenging times right now. It's really hard to focus, but I tell you, beauty and makeup has been therapeutic, and it has been for a lot of us here on YouTube and in the beauty world. It's an escape, and even if it is just for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour, it's time to think, relax, and really not even really think about a whole lot of shit that's going on right now. But it's kind of like how when I go for my morning walks, it's time for me to really just not think a whole lot, not think deeply or too intellectually about a lot of things that are taking place right now in this country, in this world. And I think that if you don't have something to help you take away from all that's going on, find something, whatever that may be. If it's reading a book, like I said, take a walk in the morning, whatever it is, meditating. And I've done a little bit of all of that, but I always come back to makeup because it is really kind of the solace that I need right now. And it's tough, but we're gonna get through this. I promise you we will. And nothing makes me happier than doing reviews to help get through this therapy session. And I'm going to be reviewing the new Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. And I'm going to say right out of the gate, this package is huge. That thing is huge. Should be interesting. I am a complexion junkie, so I love foundations, bronzers, concealers. I love all of that, right up there with eyeshadow palettes. So we're going to try this out today. If it's anything like her flawless powder, I might have a new favorite on my hand. But we're going to try this out today. And we're going to do some comparisons with some other bronzers that I have and see kind of how it measures up. But before we get into that, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell so you know when my videos have been uploaded. And don't forget Martini Monday on Monday. Another session of therapy for me too, where we just talk about love, life, relationships, really. So let's get into this review of the new Charlotte Tilbury airbrush bronzer and comparisons, and I'll have final thoughts at the very end as usual. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's get started on this Charlotte Tilbury airbrush bronzer review. So let me just give you guys some information on this, and I'm really looking forward to this, and I really hope that it doesn't disappoint. So hold on, let's see. No, that's not it. Okay, so the airbrush bronzer, they're $55, so kind of pricey for bronzer, but her other flawless powder is the same, so I wouldn't expect her to, make the price less than that. But it comes in 4 shades: fair, medium, tan, and deep. And so let's see. Also, what it says is now created as a bronzer that will add depth, dimension to your skin, from a kiss of color to a buildable bronze. Airbrush smoothing plus pore blurring effects. Hyaluronic acid infused magic matte cashmere silk, a beautifying bronzing skin filter for the face and body, encased in a divine golden sunbeam compact inspired by old Hollywood glamour. And I would definitely agree with that. But this thing is huge. This is 16 grams, 0.56 ounces of powder. quite impressive. And let me add, it's refillable. That is like the best thing. And especially it will be great if you like it. Oh, wow. This is tan. This is tan. So this is the third one before the last one, deep. And comparing this to, let's say, I have a couple bronzers here, some of my favorite bronzers. I think, so this is Caramel Cutie. Caramel Cutie from Fenty, which I love. The Fenty ones, just a tad bit darker, but not too much of an issue. Another favorite of mine as far as bronzers is the Bobbi Brown, and I'm deep 4, and this is definitely a favorite. You see, I've actually hit pan on that one, and these two, excuse me, excuse me, look pretty slightly similar, but I would say the Bobbi Brown one might be a little more red, but it's a favorite too. We cannot forget MAC, because to me, as I said in one of my other videos, I still think MAC still makes some of the best complexion products. So this is dark golden, which is kind of light. And right now, because I think I'm a little light and not as tan as I normally are, so I picked up from MAC Sun Power. They're very different. Sun Power is, oh my God, it's just so pretty. So it looks like the Charlotte Tilbury one is definitely, I don't know. We'll see. But we're going to try it on. And one other one I have is from Anastasia. This is Saddle, her bronzer. And it looks like, yeah, the Charlotte Tilbury one might be a little browner than this one. Yeah, just a little. And I like this one too. I don't use it as much, but I really do like that one a lot. So we're just gonna try it. I already have my face done for the most part, as you can see. Oh wow, it's just so pretty. I mean, look how big this is, and the fact they put a mirror in here, I mean, this is huge. The refills are not quite available yet, but that's definitely, she gets props for that for sure. Just to pop it out, especially if you like it and you'll just get another one, can't really beat that. So let's just go in. We're gonna try it and see. Whew. All right, mirror here, and let's just take, okay, that's a swipe or two. Good amount of color there. Let's just kind of work that up a little bit. Okay, not bad. Let's go to the other side here. It feels really good on the face, I'm going to say. And let's just kind of work it up. And I'm using my MAC. It's a contour brush. It might be 180. Might be. I like it. I do like the color, the shade on me. Okay, so let's just warm up the face here. And let's just see what we got. It's kind of like when you dip into it, it doesn't feel like it. And I will say, it looks like a little goes a long way. So let's kind of hit this jawline down here. Okay, not bad. I don't want to overdo it too much, but as it looks like, I did too much initially, but okay, it's not bad. And I'll be the first to tell you, I'm a bronzer junkie. If you saw how many bronzers or complexion products from MAC that I use as bronzer, I have Give Me Sun. I have, let's see, like I said, I have Dark Deepest. That's one thing about, I will say about MAC, is their mineralized skin finish powders, to me, are still some of the best out there. I'm also happy to say I dipped into my Soft Glam palette from Charlotte Tilbury today. From Anastasia. Oh, Jesus. Look at that. Mulberry is the color I'm wearing right now. and I actually hit pan on something. That is definitely my favorite color in that palette, if you can't tell. But I'm kind of feeling this right now. I'm feeling it right now. Goes on well. I'm glad, obviously, for me, the other deep shade would have been too dark for me, even though sometimes I will go deep sometimes with certain shades, because let me show you what I do have. I do have Coco Naughty by MAC, which is a little deeper. It's a little deeper than Coco Naughty. And let's see, in comparison to the Charlotte Tilbury, they're about the same. Yeah, they're about the same. That's Coco Naughty. So they're definitely similar in color, and you know, the ones from Fenty are a matte finish for the most part, but yeah, this is not bad. This is not bad. So let me finish up my face and I will have my final thoughts when I come back. Stay tuned. Okay, so I finished up everything, and there was another bronzer I forgot. The Benefit Hoola bronzer. This is a matte bronzer too, and I like this one too. I have a lot of bronzers, and I love bronzers. And the Hoola bronzer is a little lighter than the Charlotte Tilbury one. Yeah, it's probably a shade and a half, maybe two lighter, but I like this one, and when I wear it, I normally pair it with another one because it is so light. But I'm going to give Charlotte a thumbs up. She's a thumbs up, and I say that because she didn't disappoint, and making sure I don't have, you know, lipstick on my teeth. She didn't disappoint. I loved her. I love her Airbrush Flawless Finish Setting Powder. It's definitely one of my favorites. This little thing was $55, and this is 8 grams, 0.28 ounces. This is double that. So you could imagine if this was $55 and I think this was $55, I mean, you get more bang for your buck here. If she made the powder and this compact, she probably would charge more. But if she made this refillable, I'm sure people would buy it. But it's a good bronzer. I love the the packaging. I really, really, really like this. But I think it's a great bronzer. I will use it. I will definitely use it. I love the fact that it's refillable. It goes on well. It's holding well. It's been a little while since I did something and I came back and did this, but it's holding up well. So I went ahead and used her lipstick, her Nude Kate lipstick, and then one of the Wayne Goss lip glosses. I'm rusty. And this is Antique Rose, which I love this combination. So Charlotte did a good job. I mean, she's definitely a higher end brand. She's right up there probably with Pat McGrath, Estee Lauder, some of the Estee Lauder brands. And it's another great product that she's pushed out. And maybe at some point down the line, she will increase the shade range. And maybe this was just a starting point. But it's not bad right out of the gate. So she gets a thumbs up from me. Let me know what you guys think if you're going to pick it up. I definitely think it's worth it, and considering it's a refill, it'll be interesting to see what the refill price is going to be. So if this retails for $55, I mean, what do you think the refill price would be? 25 bucks, 30 bucks? I can see that very easily. Let me know what you guys think. You're going to pick it up. Give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, comment in the comment section below. And until next time, your girl TeeTee is out.